Hello everyone. In today's episode, I'm going to shoot a video about how to go to the airport from Taksim Square. Now I'm at the Taksim Square and I will go to the station where the shuttle buses leave for the Istanbul and Sabiha Gokcen airport. Thank you for watching this video. Now we are at the Taksim Square and we will go through this direction. You need to go through Point Hotel. When you see the Point Hotel, the shuttles are just next to it, as you can see. So these are the shuttle buses. One of them goes to Sabiha Gokcen Airport and the other one goes to Istanbul Airport. So this one far away, it goes to the Sabiha Gokcen Airport, Hava bus. And this Hava it goes to the Istanbul Airport. You can make payment with your Istanbul card or you can make a payment with your credit card from the kiosk. So you can make a credit card or cash payment at the counter here. And also you can see the schedule of the buses.
Can I pay with cash? One ticket to Istanbul. Thank you.
It's 87 lira as of now. Abi İstanbul Havalimanı'nda bir kişi. Ha tamam. So he says that we can make cash payment over the counter and with the card we can directly pay inside the bus.
Yes, I will also leave my luggage.
So I'm going to leave my luggage.
Sağ olasın.
So they took my luggage. Live. No, not live. It's recorded.
Thank you.
Teşekkürler, thank you. The bus. So I just took the Hava bus, which is the airport shuttle bus from Taksim Square to Istanbul Airport. As you can see, it's quite easy to take the bus and it will take around 40 minutes to reach to the Istanbul Airport if there is no traffic. After 40 minutes of the way, we came to the Istanbul Airport. This is the stop for the shuttle buses. It's just between gate 3 and gate 4. If you go to gate 1, 2 and 3, you will go to the international flights. And if you go to the gate 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on, you can go to the domestic flights. I hope you enjoyed this video and it will be helpful for you to reach to the Istanbul Airport by shuttle bus.